How to make your life easier with AI. Artificial intelligence, AI, has woven itself into the very fabric of our daily existence, offering transformative solutions to simplify and enhance our lives across a myriad of domains. From automating routine tasks to making informed decisions, AI has become an invaluable tool in our pursuit of efficiency, convenience, and overall well-being. In this extensive guide, we embark on a journey to understand how AI can be harnessed to alleviate the complexities of modern life, with a comprehensive exploration that spans our homes, workspaces, healthcare, and leisure. By delving deeply into each aspect, we aim to provide you with a profound understanding of how AI can make your life significantly easier and more manageable. Simplifying daily tasks. In the realm of daily life, AI manifests as an ever-present virtual assistant that anticipates your needs and simplifies your routines. Virtual personal assistants, VPAs, like Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa, have transcended their novelty status to become indispensable companions in our daily lives. These AI-driven entities are capable of executing a multitude of tasks, such as setting reminders, composing messages, placing phone calls, and orchestrating the seamless operation of smart home devices. They function as the digital conduits through which we interact with the world, effectively streamlining our daily tasks and offering unprecedented levels of convenience. The concept of time management has also undergone a transformative evolution through the application of AI. Time, the most finite of resources, is now managed with precision and grace, thanks to AI-powered tools. Calendar applications and task managers, enhanced by AI algorithms, empower users to optimize their schedules, prioritize tasks, and efficiently allocate their most precious asset, time. They can suggest ideal time slots for meetings, assist in the scheduling of appointments, and even automate follow-up emails. With AI as the orchestrator, the intricacies of time management are handled with a level of sophistication that liberates individuals from mundane planning and administrative burdens. Email, a ubiquitous communication medium, has long been a source of both productivity and frustration. The deluge of messages often requires arduous sorting and filtering, a task that AI has conquered with remarkable efficiency. AI algorithms scrutinize the contents of your inbox, categorizing and prioritizing emails based on relevance and importance. This ensures that your attention is directed towards the most crucial messages, sparing you the time and cognitive effort expended on sifting through spam and irrelevant correspondence. Smart homes. Our homes, once static structures, have undergone a profound metamorphosis with the infusion of AI, resulting in what we now know as smart homes. AI-driven smart home systems have bestowed upon us the ability to exercise unprecedented control over our domestic environments, effectively reshaping the way we live and interact with our abodes. The overarching aim of this transformation is twofold: to enhance comfort and convenience while promoting energy efficiency. The automation of various home functions is a cornerstone of this technological revolution. AI-controlled systems can seamlessly manage lighting, heating, security, and even appliances. By setting up routines and preferences, your home becomes attuned to your daily patterns. For instance, the lighting can adjust to mimic natural daylight, and the thermostat can regulate temperatures for optimal comfort. Smart home systems are capable of learning and adapting to your preferences, ensuring that your living space is a harmonious blend of comfort and energy conservation. Voice-controlled AI devices, often in the form of smart speakers, stand as the vanguard of this transformation. They serve as the central nervous system of your smart home, offering the convenience of hands-free operation. These devices, integrated with virtual assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant, facilitate control over various aspects of your home environment. From playing your favorite music to answering questions and even placing grocery orders, the potential for streamlining daily tasks is vast. It's akin to having a digital butler that listens to your commands and acts accordingly, fostering an unparalleled level of convenience within your home. Security in the age of AI-driven smart homes has reached new heights of sophistication and reliability. Healthcare and wellness. The transformative potential of AI extends far beyond our homes and daily routines. It reaches deep into the realms of healthcare and wellness. In these critical domains, AI has emerged as a formidable ally, poised to revolutionize the way we access and experience healthcare services, while promoting overall well-being. Telemedicine, facilitated by AI, stands as a testament to the convergence of technology and healthcare. This innovation has transcended geographical boundaries, making healthcare services more accessible and convenient than ever before. Telemedicine platforms, powered by AI-driven algorithms, enable remote consultations with healthcare professionals. Patients can now connect with doctors, specialists, and therapists via video calls or chat, eliminating the need for physical visits to medical facilities. This not only saves time and travel expenses, but also provides a lifeline for those in remote areas or with limited mobility, ushering in a new era of healthcare accessibility. The applications of AI in healthcare extend to diagnostics, treatment recommendations, and even personalized medicine. AI algorithms can analyze vast data sets, such as medical records, images, and genetic information, to identify patterns and anomalies that may elude human perception. This capacity for pattern recognition empowers healthcare professionals with more accurate diagnosis and treatment plans. Moreover, AI-driven predictive analytics can help identify potential health risks and intervene proactively, promoting preventive healthcare measures that can improve overall well-being. The workplace and productivity. The integration of AI into the workplace has had a monumental impact on productivity, efficiency, and job satisfaction. The modern office environment is evolving, with AI playing a central role in optimizing tasks, fostering innovation, and enhancing collaboration. In the realm of automation and efficiency, AI has revolutionized how businesses operate. Mundane and repetitive tasks that used to occupy a substantial portion of an employee's workday can now be automated, liberating workers to concentrate on more creative and high-value responsibilities. Whether it's automating data entry, analyzing large datasets, or generating detailed reports, AI-driven software and algorithms expedite workflows, while minimizing the potential for human error. Data analysis and decision-making have also been profoundly influenced by AI. With access to vast amounts of data, AI algorithms can unearth valuable insights, identify trends, and make predictions that humans might overlook. This capability not only streamlines decision-making processes, but also enhances the quality of those decisions. In sectors such as finance, AI can rapidly analyze market data and recommend investment strategies. In healthcare, it can assist in diagnosis by cross-referencing patient information with extensive medical databases. Collaboration and communication within the workplace have become more efficient through AI-driven tools. AI is not merely a technological advancement, it is a transformative force that has the potential to simplify and enhance every facet of our lives. From the simplification of daily tasks through virtual personal assistants and time management tools, to the evolution of smart homes into highly adaptive and efficient living spaces, and from the revolution of healthcare access through telemedicine to the precision of diagnostics and treatment, AI is reshaping our world in profound ways. Embracing AI in these domains is not just a matter of convenience, it is a gateway to a future where our lives are more manageable, efficient, and enriched. The journey into this AI-powered future is already well underway, and by embracing these technologies, we are poised to make our lives easier, healthier, and more fulfilling than ever before. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.